Well, I hope my ducks, I have a new toy, a Deus 2. So far, I haven't recorded the intro. It's near the end of the day. It's not a bad little machine, to be honest with you. I really enjoy it. You'll see what I got. I've had a really good day today. I'm probably one of the best buckles I've ever seen. Plus a little mini coin spill, possible mini hoard maybe. Probably not a hoard, but you know. You never know though, it's been a very good day and I've really enjoyed it. And of course I'm at the new secret location, the new permission, where my mate came here on the first time the other day and he got a hammered coin on the second time ever metal detecting. So yeah, it's a good day. Anyway, let's get to the first hole. I already know what it is, but do you? Right then, first target with the Deus 2. Solid 86. It's a very windy day today. Very windy day today. So let's see what it is. Still an 86, still in the hole. Let's see what we got. .86 screamer still. I think we have a coin to start the day off with. We do. First ever hole, first coin at the secret location. I think that is a possible, I think, George the Second. I can just make out the 2 just there, I think. Lovely. Is it George 2nd or George 3rd? One or the other. Can just make it out. Well, not too bad. It's a 40 to 50s. God, this wind is absolutely relentless today. Try to get you out of it. It's a 40s, 50s. 49, 50. Just here. So yeah, this Deus is now mine. I brought it pretty cheap, to be honest with you, to be fair, because normally the WS6 Master Pack is around about £800 plus headphones. So you're talking about nearly £950. But if you buy the Deus 2 upgrade pack, then buy the stem, it's £600. So it was a no-brainer. Then obviously the headphones were obviously still full price. So altogether I think it was about £720 with my discount code as well, which I used for myself, shamefully. But yeah, £720 for Deus 2. Cannot go wrong with the whole headset included as well. Perfect. Still in here anyway. Sounds a bit off. It's very windy today though, I tell you. Very windy. Picked a perfect day to come out detecting, haven't I? I really have. Still a 50 anyway. Let's have a look. I think we have a tiny little lead bullet by the looks of it. So yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Got another 87, another banger. Just here. I tell you what, I'm loving it so far. It is light, it is really nice. It is nice to use. Feels lovely. I have used AS2 in the past with the remote, but I've never used it as WS6 module. Don't worry, I still use my Nocta triple score. Still like that detector, and it still has its uses, especially in heavy junk conditions where, believe it or not, this can't keep up. But with the discrimination and stuff like that, it's with the Nocta triple score, can have a nail, target, nail, and it'll find it. Here it sort of goes as 0.6, as I found out. But it makes this more enjoyable for hunt. Nocta triple score is probably a bit better at separation, but does not have the depth this has. But yeah, let's see what we got. So far I've had Nocta. So I've had Nocta, Minelab and Deus now. Minelab wasn't that bad. I'll tell you what, that's a bloody beauty little 1930, isn't it? That's come out of mint condition, that does. Lovely. But yeah, that's a nice little coin, that is. But yeah, I've had the Minelab X Pro. I won that, luckily. But unfortunately you won't see that anymore. I've sold it. Made a nice little bit of money on it. Like, went towards this. Because I've been after one of these since day one, to be honest with you. I'm glad I got one now anyway. I won't need another one. But this and the triple score as me backup. Don't worry, I'll be rotating videos from the triple score to the Deus anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I'll be taking them both to Detectiveville anyway. I've got low numbers, 40s, 50s. It's a bit scratchy, but oh well. Let's see what it says. We have it. It's another tiny bit of lead, little lead bullet or something. God, that was small. Kind of hard to get to, I'm not going to lie. Got 50 in the old still. Oh God, I can't really get you out the wind because I've dug this way for some stupid reason. Let's have a look. Let's just get this soil snake out of here before I destroy him. Still down here anyway. Let's have a look. Just here. Oh wow, what's that? Okay. Oh wow, what is that? Okay, what is that? That's something, that is, isn't it? It's like a tip of something, I don't know what it is. I'll have to have another look at that. Be a little clean. Something unique anyway, that is, isn't it? Nice little artifact. Whatever it is. Give that a little clean, I think. Right, I think I'll do a reverse image search on this and see if I can find anything on it. If I know what it is, I'll put it in the video here next. But if not, please comment and let me know what it is, please. Because this is it's quite a little fancy little thing, isn't it, really? Well, it turned out to be a pencil sharpener from the late 1800s, which was a nice little surprise. Could be iron, this could be iron. 70s, 60s, but it's got the odd 05 in it, so I'm not too sure what it is. Let's have a look anyway. Right, it's down here. I'm sorry, I'm in the wind again. I really do apologise. It's a test of how good my headphones are, I think. Right, we see something green. Greenish anyway. Just down here. I think it might be a bullet. Might be a bullet. Yes, it is. It's a little bullet. That's why it's scratchy, to be honest with you. Yeah, not too bad. That's 50s, 51, 52. Just here. Let's see what it is. Alright, I'll try to turn the plug away from the wind this time. That's a big enough plug anyway. Should be in that. Still there, still down at the bottom. It's a 50s anyway. Alright, let's take a good old little look. Let's see what we've got to see offer. Oh, what's that? Right there. Right. It's a little 4-hole button. Oh, I can get the roll in it. A tiny little button. 76, 77, 78. Just here. Oh, right. Tell you what. Pinpointing's quite easy on this, to be honest with you. I know you can have the pinpoint option on here, which you press the button, but just learning how to go back with the detector a bit, that's not too bad. Right, just open this hole up a bit wider here. Right, I'm pointing you back into the wind now, but I was just about to say it's died down a bit, but I don't think it has. Right, it's screaming at me now, it's just here. Right, it is out, I'll get you out the wind. Oh, it's the end of a bullet. Oh well, some casing. Right then, we've got something in here. Right, so it's in this bit. Right, what's that then? It's a little something of little. It's like a tiny little draw piece, doesn't it? Don't know, it's got a hole in it. Something anyway. Well, it looks like we have some button porn. A pewter button, to be exact. I thought it was a silver at first, but it isn't. Nice little pewter button though. It's just 80, 77, 80. Let's see what it is. Right, that's what it was. A little bullet. There's quite a few of these on this permission. But there you go. On to the next. It's an 80, 79, 80. Oh god, it is windy again. The wind's really picked up here again. Right, down here. Should have brought my gloves today. Just here. Right at the bottom. Right, let's have a look. I don't think we're out yet. I think we're still in there. Just on the side of the wall here. Oh, this should be it. Right. Yeah, but ow. Phone's there, mate. Whatever this is, it's in here. Aha! We have another coin. We have a Queen Victoria. Queen Victoria penny. Not bad. Another Queen Victoria penny anyway. It's a bit eroded there, but yeah, well, it's going to come off, won't it? Yeah. I've got a date on it. You can see a date. 1873. That's the date. Not too bad. On to the next. Nice 51, 52 just here. Probably another lead bullet, but we will see. Just in here. Alright, let's get down on it. Have I knocked it out? I think I've knocked it out. I have. It's just here. It's in here. I think we are on a little bit of lead. A tiny slither of lead again. Yeah, it's not much detail on it. I think it's just a bit of crap. But moving on.
Cover all the ground and come to your mind. Walk nice and slow like that. Keep it low to the ground. What's the then good noise?
So you've got 60, 70 just here. Right, let's have a look. Oh, I think part of a handle.
There's a handle on it, like a
There's our
drawer or something.
yeah, or pot. A lovely 86 just here. Well, for a screaming 86, it certainly wasn't a good target. Whatever it is, it's rotten. Looks like a possible penknife or something. Got an 88 here, screamer. Yeah, it's going to be in that ballish looking thing there. It's going to be in that there we go. Got a coin. God. It's an old one, another old one. I'll give that a clean up, I think. Well, I've just had these 4 out of the hole. A little mini hoard. Obviously they aren't old enough to be a hoard, but still. So after a closer look, these are Guilliamus II. That is William II, I believe, or William III. Some age to these coin here. I'm happy with that, really am. I wasn't surprised to get all 4 out. I thought it's just going to be a crusty George, and then one after another just kept coming out, and I just didn't press record for some stupid reason. But there you go. Look, I've got all the copper on my fingers now. Well, it's not bad condition. A little brush on this, a gentle brush on this. It'll come out well, that. Right then, another hole right next to it. Still in somewhere. Just down there apparently, so let's take a look. Yeah. Something else is, yeah. It wasn't that rot, luckily. Right, still in here. Oh my god, look at that. That is one medieval looking button. Buckle. Wow, look at the detail. Oh my god. Definitely my favourite find of the day. Wow, what a buckle. What a buckle. There's something blue, very blue. It's a 49 anyway. Oh, look at that. It's a button. It's a pewter button, to be exact. And give a little rub of that. Looks like we've got some detail on this. It has slightly eroded, but looks like we've got like a sun on that now, or something. Very nice anyway. It's actually intact for a change. Tell you what, some good stuff coming out of this field today. Well, first time out of the days, and this is the stuff I got today. We have a little belt buckle, shoe buckle, sorry. Little bullet, a few coins, a nice William III, which come out well, which come with these 3 here. I have no idea what this is. My mate found it, but he gave it me. He told me to have a look at it. I looked at that and found out this was also my mate found. He told me to keep it. This is a purse clip, this is. 2 pewter buttons. This is quite interesting as well. This is an old Victorian pencil sharpener. How cool is that? And my favourite find of the day is 100% this buckle. What a buckle it is. Probably the best buckle I've ever had, honestly. And obviously that. But yeah, this is 100% the best buckle. And anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you next one.